Good morning, students. Students, today we will discuss next new topic of lesson number 19 about the rocks. Right? So, what do you mean by rocks? Rocks means material that forms the crust of the earth. And what is crust? Crust means the outer layer of the earth is called crust. So, what are the examples of crust? Crust examples like sandstone, right? What are the examples like sandstone, then marble, granite are some examples of rocks. Right now, today we will discuss about this thing that rocks can be classified into how many types, right? So, rocks can be classified into three main types, or we can say that rocks there are three main types of rocks. Number one is your igneous rock, igneous rocks. Number two is sedimentary rocks, and number three is metamorphic rocks. Right. So firstly we will discuss about igneous rocks. Right. So what are igneous rocks? That are formed from molten magma. How? From molten magma, right? And that found in the interior of the earth. Magma is found in the interior of the earth, right? When magma cools, what happens? When magma cools, right, then it solidifies into rock. It means it takes the shape of a rock. When magma cools, then it takes the shape of a rock. So the word igneous is derived from which word? From Latin word, right? It is derived from Latin word ignis, meaning burning, right? So what is the meaning of igneous? The rocks which are formed by the internal heat of the earth, right? Internal heat of the earth are called igneous rocks, right? So this is all about the igneous rocks. So igneous rocks are also called primary rocks. Understand? These rocks are called primary rocks. So primary rocks means that are all other rocks are formed from them, right? Or sedimentary rocks or metamorphic rocks, all rocks are found from this igneous rocks. That is why these rocks are called primary rocks, right? And granite is the example of this. Granite is the example of this rock, right? Igneous rocks, the example is granite. So again, the igneous rocks can be divided into two types. How many types? Two types, right? Extrusive rocks, and here it is intrusive rocks. Right. Extrusive rocks are formed when lava coming out of a volcano and reaches the surface of the earth. Right. When it reaches the surface of the earth, it cools rapidly and solidifies into a rock are called extrusive rocks. Right. For example, basalt rocks found in the Deccan Plateau. And what are intrusive rocks? Intrusive rocks means the rocks which are formed when the magma gets trapped deep inside the earth and cool below the earth, right? This one is what any kind of activity that happened here in this rock that is inside the earth, right? And here in extrusive rocks, activities are happened on the surface of the earth, right? So what is the intrusive rocks are also called plutonic rocks, right? And these rocks take a very long time to cool down, and extrusive rocks takes a very short time to cool down and solidifies into a rock. So students, this is all about the igneous rocks. Next two rocks, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks, we will cover in next videos. Thank you.